I am Kim Beom-young, a master artisan of brassware. We make both Bangjja brassware and cast brassware. Bangjja refers to the technique of making brassware by hammering. We melt copper and tin at a ratio of 78:22, shape them into small discs, roll them into sheets, and press them. Then, according to the press mold, the vessel takes its shape. Then, through gajil, we scrape and polish the surface to complete the entire process. As for casting iron, we currently make it using the traditional method. We shape a mold out of fine clay and pour in the molten metal. Once the shape is formed, it goes through gajil again, scraping the inside and out to finish it. That is the method. In the past, we used to hammer every single piece, but now we press the metal using molds called danjo. By forging and scraping the surface for the finishing touch, we produce the brassware. Starting with my grandfather, first-generation brassware master artisan Kim Gun-soo, to my father, and now to me, we are running this Yugi workshop for 3 generations. I started working under my father quite naturally. It has already been about 21 years. My grandfather and father, they were always diligent, never straying from that path. They consistently kept doing the same work, and I grew up watching them do that so steadfastly. I was deeply influenced by them. I too walk that path today, and I'll likely stay on it. I learned by watching the senior artisans work, mimicking and studying on my own. There wasn't any formal training. I kept wondering, how do I do this? I spent much time contemplating and researching. Most people in this trade didn't learn formally from someone. We picked it up watching from the side, learning over time. We work together like a family, and while they are our employees, to me, they are also mentors. I learn a lot from them, so that is how I think of them. I barely participate in local community activities. Not just local events, I rarely go out to meet people. But since I was selected as a cultural artisan of Anseong last year, through the city of Anseong, I've started participating in various exhibitions and projects. My activities are not really about my personal exposure, but rather to allow our works to be exhibited in various places. I believe that is significant for us. For small-scale craftspeople like us, chances to be known don't come so common. Until about 10 years ago, the Yugi industry was very active, and we benefited a lot economically. But with less and less interest, it has now become a declining industry. Instead of external causes, when I look from within, we didn't put much effort into R&D. That's how I see it. Now, we have introduced new equipment and are utilizing them. To operate them, we have to study a lot. While we could hire designers or technicians, at the moment we don't have that capacity yet, so we are studying on our own to do everything right now. I didn't realize it at first, but later a resolve grew in me while working. It started with my grandfather, passed to my father, and now to me. I realized I must not let this legacy end with me. That thought struck me one day. So from then on, I changed. I worked and studied harder, and I'm still doing so today. With a bit more effort, I can carry this on. That is how I think of it. I have a son. He's in college, and if I show him a successful path, perhaps as the next generation, he may also choose to inherit this craft. In every way, our family is bound by this Yugi tradition. That's what I truly believe. Preserving this traditional craft carefully and keeping it alive is our greatest mission and finest philosophy. I don't have a particular plan. Being consistent and working hard is probably the best way to keep this legacy alive.